Da 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 da.
Okay, look. Okay, there's fire trucks in the fire station, but look, giant fire across the street. They should probably leave the station now. Okay, you can go.
I send my version?
Yeah, you can send my version, because your panning is better.
I like pan right as you say.
What are you doing?
Really smell it now too.
Yeah, and it's not even sucking in air, it's on recirculate.
It just slowly rolls. I just lost playing with fire.
I don't even understand. It's a method is simple, Johannes.
Is that USC Dashcam? I think it is. That Honda Accord. I'll have to ask him if he's here. Yeah, I think that was him.
Oh man! All right, did you see that bird?
Oh, was it?
Did you remember the dog?
Did the vulture get hit?
Yeah, the vulture got hit.
That's great.
That you could put on your GoPro.
Yeah, going up and then going back down.
Yeah.
14.
Conelivesmatter.
Oh, look at this car up here.
Wow.
Roadster. Brown one.
Sure to get there. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
That cow just got attacked by a goose.
It's great. Like, just driving up here, like, you just have to enjoy the drive. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's not the best. I mean, not even. Past this truck in the tunnel.
Another truck? This is not going this way.
This Kia's not going to like me very much about it. How do you want to manually turn on the headlights?
You know, they'll pop on. Oh wait, you're there.
No, they're not. What the heck? at that plane. No, it's because the lanes peel off or whatever.
Two cop cars, no ambulance.
I would have stopped, but nobody wanted me to.
No crash, unless the crash is already.
Yeah, they like stopped traffic on the other side. They weren't making any effort to stop me, so.
Still giving it away for free. 1-800-992-4419. That's 1-800-992-4419. 1-800-992-4419.
Looks like they fought a fire. Obviously, it's not as bad as New Year's, but.
Oh wow, look at down there.
It's a DUI.
Yeah.
What's a DUI?
Driving under the influence.
And we got a jaywalker.
You're gonna have to dash cam this for Jordan.
Appearances in North Carolina. The group canceled their September 11th gig in Charlotte and another in Raleigh, saying they feel it's morally right to boycott the state over a new law that, among other things, dictates which restrooms transgender people can use. The North Carolina governor says the band is being hypocritical, noting that the group has not canceled a show in communist Russia. And that's the news. I'm Heidi Aiken for B93.7.
News brought to you by Zero Res. Right now, have 3 rooms clean for only $119 when you mention Hawk and Tom. Call 558-7300 or
Like, no, I have to go south. I don't want to go north. I don't know. Jesus Christ. That truck ran the red light.